Hello everyone, Papa Blue Shirt. I bought a new bike, but I have a few more videos in the pipeline, and so this is one of those videos. But don't forget to like and subscribe because I'm gonna start doing them on my new bike. It's coming soon. Just averaged out my miles, and that's 13.3 miles every day for over 2 years. Not too shabby for an old man. 13.2, that means on the days that it snowed real hard and I couldn't ride, or the ice storm that we had, and all the different times that it rained and I couldn't go out. That's averaging all that in together. So if I'd have rode every day, it would have been 13.3 miles a day for over 2 years. Wow. Hello everybody, Papa Blue Shirt here. Today's an exciting day. Today I am going over 10,000 miles. Oh, alrighty. This is what the bike looks like. But when we get back, I'll do a review. But I turned it back to 8,000 miles, and so in 2 miles I will be over. Here's what the bike looks like. As you can see, my tires are bald. I was hoping to get to 10,000. If I don't have a flat on the way out of the driveway, I'll make it. And as usual, on these mileage days, it's an overcast, kind of a rainy day, but it's still a happy day. Yeah, should be turning over here pretty soon. $10,000 miles. 10,000 miles. Oh, I'm gonna stop up here and reset this so it starts back at zero again. At the top of this hill here, maybe I can do it right here before I get too far. Don't want to throw off my mileage. All right, what you do is you hold the up and down button until you get in the program. Then you push the middle button to go through them. It's P09, I think, on mine. There's my 2,000 miles, and I think I just hold the top in, and it resets it. So then you don't touch nothing. It'll reset itself. The whole thing will go right at zeros, and there it is. But I still got my trip, see? 1.9. So, 10,000 miles. That is so neat. 2 years ago, I was flat on my back in the living room in intense pain, and thought my life was pretty much over, and had a crazy idea to go get an e-bike. Maybe I could do something. And over the last 2 years, I've been able to ride. So my back has gotten stronger, and it still hurts, but not like it did. And I'm able to get around and get some exercise. So that's real exciting. I'm going to continue on my ride here, and let's see if we can start on the next 10,000 miles. I had to change my riding time because, well, it's getting cool now, so I changed it to the afternoon from 5 to 6, but now that the clocks are turned back, it'll be dark at that time, so now I gotta go at 3 o'clock. And I think I've only passed one car, so far, not that big a deal. I stopped here, so take a look at things. You can see my knobby tires are not knobby anymore, and they're pretty bald. I was hoping to get to 10,000 miles with them before I had a flat. I did it. But now we'll see how far to go. If you're interested in how far I can go with it before I have a flat, make sure you like and subscribe. Yeah, my front tire's got 10,000 miles on it. Back tire's got about 6,500, I think, or something like that. I still have the original brakes, believe it or not. I have never changed the brakes on this. I did for Christmas last year. My daughter gave me this light thing that's in the wheel. It really looks neat at night. So if you're out at night, really looks nice. But there it is, 10,000 miles. I put this rack on there. I'm carrying my extra battery in it now because my batteries are getting weak and I don't like to walk. So if I almost make it home, then if it goes dead, I can switch the battery. But the only other problems I'm having, my sprocket is starting to skip a little bit, but that was the sprocket that I put on. When I changed my tire again, I'm gonna put a new chain, a new sprocket, and of course put new tires on it. So I'll be just like brand new, and my knobby tires will be making the noise again. Yeah. Well, this is Papa Blue Shirt. I thank you for coming with me today on my 10,000 mile ride. Wow, that was an adventure. But man, my butt hurts. May the good Lord take a liking to you.
May the good Lord take a liking to you. Hallelujah. May He spread His blessings on your trail. Hallelujah. May He be your guide anywhere you ride, and be always your host when you're needing Him most. May the good Lord take a liking.